Welcome to Herndon Harbor Adult Day Healthcare Center, and my name is Leah Frage. I'm the director here, and we'll be talking today about falls prevention. Falls are not a normal part of aging, and the literature shows that after age of 65, 1 in 4 Americans fall, and also every 11 seconds a person is treated in the emergency rooms for fall. So falls are really a major concern for older people. And one of the contributing factors is aging. We know that as people age, their risk of falling increases proportionately. And there are reasons for that. First of all, as people get older, their muscle mass and muscle density decreases. For men, the literature shows that after the age of 30, every 10 years, their muscle mass decreases anywhere between 3 to 5%, which is a lot. For women, they're at increased risk of losing their bone mass after menopause. And with aging, people's muscles start to become stiffer, their joints also become stiffer, and they lose their flexibility and their ability to right themselves as they're falling. That reflex reaction slows down, which increases their risk of falling. And for people with dementia, the literature shows that their risk of falls increases by 8 times, a factor of 8. And because they already are prone to losing their balance, they have issues with that. Many of them have other chronic illnesses, and so they're taking more than 4 medications, and a lot of those medications have side effects, which includes drowsiness, dizziness, and confusion. They have difficulties also processing what they are perceiving. They have issues with depth perception, so that they can't tell when there's a step there, or they think that the table is actually closer to them when it's not. And they have difficulties communicating their concerns and fears. And we know that when people are afraid of falling, their risk of falling increases. So it's really important to keep these factors in mind and to take proactive steps to decrease your loved one's risk of falling. And you can do that by engaging in strength training exercises and help them use their walkers or their canes properly, and to help them learn the proper way of getting up and turning around and sitting down, so that you are decreasing the risk of falls.